Hello again YouTube, Mad Dog here. Just a quick little snippet of information. I guess, no doubt, most of you guys and lasses will know this anyway, but for those of you that don't, the Swiss Army knife, the Victorinox, this I think is the Trekker or something like that, I can't remember now. But if your Swiss Army knife or multi-tool, whatever it may be, has a awl on it, which this one does, like so. So it's got the blade and the eyelet there. Not many people actually show this, but what I'm going to try and demonstrate here, I've got a scrap piece of off-cut of leather. It's only thin stuff, but supposedly, if I wanted to, in a wilderness situation, stitch them two pieces, let's say, together, you know, or to make a whatever sheath, whatever. And I've got myself some twine or sinew or homemade I don't know, natural cordage, or even the centre strand out of, you know, paracord. 550 paracord has 7 strands, and the more modern stuff has 9. So let's just take a piece of that, and obviously I'll use the knife to cut that off. Alrighty, so we've got our cordage. As you can see, it's quite thick. This is actually waxed leather string. So, right, what we'll do is make sure the blade's folded down so you don't cut yourself. Take your leather, your 2 pieces or your 1 piece that you're going to fold, obviously, so determine where you want to stitch. Take your awl, thread the string cordage through the awl, like so. Just sort of leave yourself a good working end through that, like so. And then what we're going to do is just simply, now the sharp edge, the blade edge, I'm not demonstrating very well, the sharp edge, the blade edge of the awl needs to face the direction of travel in which you intend to stitch. So let's just get this. I know I'm only rough-assing it, but it should give you the idea. So we're going to push that through the leather. It says straight through, and push it all the ways through. So we end up with that. Now what we're going to do is slowly back off, and hopefully, as you can see, the cordage is now formed a loop. Okay, so what we're going to do is the short working end, which is this, we're going to pull through. I'll try and keep this in camera shot. Okay, there we go. I've actually pulled the other end through, so I'll just make that even, like so. Okay, there we go. So what we're going to do now is, we've got thread on both sides of the leather now, so we're going to withdraw the awl, move it along a centimetre or so, and make the next incision and push that right the ways through. So the same applies. So we're back off yet again to form another loop. Now the short end, the working end, this is picking up very well, we're now passed through that loop. I'm trying to get this in camera shot, bear with me, like so. Go on, get through. There we go, like so. I'm trying to do it as slowly as I can so you can see what I'm doing, and then obviously grab the other end and cinch it all down nicely, nice and tight, and then withdraw the awl, trying to keep some tension on the cordage at the same time. So we take the awl out, and as you can see we have our first stitch. So now we move across, half a centimetre or a centimetre, depending on, you know, how rough or how strong you want it to be. And here we go again, we're forced through again and back off again, and as you can see, hopefully it forms yet another loop. So, and so on and so on. So we take our working end, I'm just going to lick it here just to give me a fighting chance of getting it through. Okay, through the loop again. There we go, and then cinch it down from underneath, and so on. And we'll repeat the process. So, keeping hold of it, pull the awl out of the leather and move along. Force through yet again. It is quite fiddly whilst I'm trying to do this freehand, to be honest. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing with this. And force it through yet again. And back off. Forming yet another loop. Take the working end and thread it through that loop. Cinch it down from underneath and retract your awl. I'm making a complete hash of this, but I'll just pull that out for now. So, okay, as you can see, this is real rough-assed, like something off Frankenstein's neck. But as you can see, we're starting to form the basis of a strong stitch there. So if you continue along, tie the end off, cinch it down, you will have some good strong stitching that you've basically created using the awl on a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. So I just thought I'd do, okay, this has been a rough-ass demonstration. I thought to try and demonstrate this thing actually being used, because whilst many of us have these, not many people, to be honest, I've not seen one being actually demonstrated. So I thought I'd show you my take on things. If any of you guys and lasses know a better way of using this, please drop me a link, you know, a comment or a link to your video, and share with me, because, you know, knowledge is power and all that, and to be honest, that's the only way or form that I know of doing this. So anyway, hope you find some of this useful. Take care out there, keep your kit in good order, learn as much as you can about it, stay safe. Until next time, Mad Dog signing off. Yeah!